So, welcome back, everybody. It's still your boy Prelifix. So, as I promised, I'll be dropping my videos 2 times a week, which is on Wednesday and on Fridays. You get so.
Right, good evening, good morning, good afternoon, depending on when you're watching the video. This is Prelifix standing on your screen. Alright, so I got this analysis on Ethereum USDT. So I I checked and found a perfect spot to enter. So I entered this trade from this level. Alright, from this level. So I entered the trade. Yeah, I entered from there. So I'm just doing 1 is to 3. That's it. And let me show you how it's going on my account. And this is Sunday by, let me check, 10:02 already. So this is what everything looks like in my account. Alright, this is the entry. How everything looks like. So I'll definitely update you guys. You can see Ethereum, I thought it was that I've never traded the pair before. So that's it. I'll catch you guys. Once this trade hits a 1 is to 1, I will reduce this my SL to 6 plus 6, let's say $6. Then once it reach 1 is to 2, I will break even. That's how it work now. So I'll catch you guys. Peace.
Welcome back again, guys. This is your boy FX. I got into this GBP, USD, GBP, don't for my math, USD GPY trade is the 1 is to 2.5. Alright, so it's a newly developed strategy I used, so it's just the 1 is to 2.5. And also, I got this on Euro USD, the 1 is to 3 trade. This one is already 1 is to 2, I guess, or 1 is to 1.5 arrow. So I'll be breaking even on this trade because I risked a lot on this trade. I was not too fast. Immediately I saw this break, I could have entered on the 1 hour time frame from this point, but I missed it, so that's why I entered from here. My stops is here. So I'm just hoping I get this quick 15 pip. Alright, and I think my Ethereum, Jesus, my Ethereum was already on massive profit before it came back to this loss. But let me show you how these trades are going on my account. I should be breaking even on my Euro USD because already more than 1 is to 2. You can see Euro USD. So I'm risking 15 and I'm already at 22. That is over 1 is to 1. I shouldn't have break even on this trade, but because of the kind of risk I'm risking, I have to break even, guys. I have to. Let me go to the 1 minute time frame and break even. Or I just reduce my stop loss by half because it's now up to 1 is to 2. Half should be 7.5 $, I guess. Yes, 7.5. Let's take 7.5. No, it should be 7.5 because I'm already over 1 is to 1. So once I get to 1 is to 2, because I was risking 15 and I'm going for 46, that's 3.1. So once I get 1 is to 2, I will break even. So that's just it. So on this trade here, I guess I'm risking just 14 to get 35, 2.5. So it's just this my Ethereum now that was a massive profit. As you can see, it was already on profits. You could see, oh, let me show. It was already up on $4, but one big candle just spoiled everything. But let's see how it goes. I'll keep updating you guys. Peace. So guys, this Ethereum is fucking trade. I even went to add another position because of what I saw on the 30 minutes time frame. Look at what it's doing. That's eating down my stop loss. I hate crypto for life. I hate trading crypto. Like this thing has been consolidating since just immediately I entered. It started coming down. But it's well. I just lost that trade now. Today. It has not shown. So I'm breaking even on this trade. And let's see how far it can go. Alright. This one is also going well. I'll soon be reducing my stop loss once I get 1 is to 1. I'll break even because this one is a 1 is to 2 trade. Possibly it's just this 2 trade that we see might take profit today. But we never can tell which kind of market is this. But it's well. It's well. Let's go. Guys, this is the Euro USD and I was up 32 just now. So this was they refused to show me my trade at stop loss, so I have this limit on good. Hoping for the best, but expecting the worst. So this is my limit on good. Alright. It's 12 o'clock. And that's my alarm. So my good have triggered. And my USD is running. I think I should put a good break even here because this trade has moved. At least let me secure 10. Alright. So we'll see how it goes. So these are my position. Possibly I will catch you later. Welcome back. This was the good trade I was telling you yesterday night. So I hit TP on this trade. 1 is to 2.5. I hit TP on this trade. Alright. Let me go back to my 5 minutes. So you can see how the trade tagged me from this double top here and dropped to my TP. So I was looking to buy for this point, but I was not active. So me, I'm just waiting. I don't want to rush to buy, so I'm waiting. But I already made a mistake on. This is my USD trade. You see this trade yesterday? I was telling you about this trade tagged, got to this point. I just decided to just break even, and he smashed my stop loss and went to my TP. Crazy. So I entered for this trade at this point because the way I drew my resistance, it was at my support level. But when I went to my 1 hour and used my line chart,
to draw this major support. Let me show you guys because I don't have anything from family. So I saw that where I was looking at as the support level was actually not a support level. So possibly I've already entered that trade. Maybe to hit my stop loss. Then when you get to this zone, I will just buy directly from there. All right, the mistake I've already made. Possibly if you entered profit, I'll go and close the trade because I need to still come down. Once I entered my Euro USD, almost to my TP. Look at you guys. It got to this point, almost to my TP. I just broke even at this point and was doing something else before I came. Price smashed my this thing, my break even. Came back to this main entry I was looking at. Then bought all the way to my TP. So those are the trades I took yesterday. So let me show you guys how it's going. You so that's just it. I already bought this USDPY and I should be closing. If it enters profit or it's not going to enter profit, I don't know. Or I should just close it now. So I'm seeing this trade that it will not go. Or it's $10 risk. I already made a mistake, but I'll just leave it. So this was yesterday Ethereum. The whole Ethereum I entered it stop loss. Ethereum is a very useless pair. Then the Euro USD hit me on $9 break even. USD JPY 0.41 cents. Then the gold hit $25 take profit. So you can see it's commission that made me to lose $2.4. If not, I recovered the loss. I was still happy though. I saw this Euro USD at $41. USD JPY got to about 16, 17 to $20 before everything just reversed. But this market, what can we do? We hope for the best, we expect the worst. So I told you guys this USD JPY is just a quick stop loss trade that I am just going to hit. I don't know. Let me just close it now that it's on less loss because I know I already made a mistake. I'll still hit that stop loss. So let me just close it. Let me just close it and wait for my zone.
So welcome back, guys. This is just a rough I would like call it analysis on my naturally this analysis on my trading view. Let me show you the mistake I made this morning. I made a very huge mistake this morning. I went to open 0.20 on good. I quickly closed 0.15 and I wanted to scale. I just okay, let me risk it. I entered for 0.15 position at this point. 0.115. I entered from here again when this market retraced, but I closed the trade. That was what I closed, and this was the TP. Could have made $144 this morning, but I was not seeing where to put my stop loss. If I put my stop loss here, I could not get the loss, so I had to just close. So this good trade, I've been waiting for it. So it came to this zone. This is my zone yesterday, but I did not enter. I missed it too. It bought and retraced, so as I spoke, the money has to retrace it. So I entered. So I'm holding the trade. I don't know if the trade will get to where I'm anticipating, because since this H4 did a break of structure here, and this was an inducement, and price to this inducement came here, that means our next target should be this high. Alright, so let's say I close. This trade is already running over 100 pip. I think I might just have to break even now on the 1 minute time frame. Let me just pray this thing to not come back and hit my break even, but regardless, I'm breaking even. So that's it. I'll catch you guys. Peace. But initially I wanted to take my profit was this point. That would be my take profit is, and I think that's where I'll leave it. I'm not a fan of holding trade at all. I'm not a fan. You will trade now before you know everything will reverse and come and hit you at. We are not good. We buy for a long time, but I beg, let me not be greedy. I've set rules for myself, and I'll keep following them. So, yep. Let's see how this trade can run. If I can hit that take profit, I'll come out from Jordan, and that will be it. So welcome back, everybody. As you can see, my Euro USD just hit TP on that's our 40 pip. I'm still running because so yep, this is my second TP. My TP1 has been hit, so today is a very good day. This Tuesday I've made over $147, and you can see the gold trade just hit my take profit. Alright, and my GDP AUD is stop loss. My UTJP I had to close one position because it's not moving, but you can see everything. I'm up from a drawdown of $180. Now I'm up 1% on the account. I already got to 1k and 5k, and you can see how my trades are going. I hit a quick stop loss on gold. I went to sell. I was waiting for a breakout. I don't know. I was too fast. As I went to sell, chop quick stop loss. Now I'm going for the buy. The buy is just doing shitty things. Alright, that's why I'm going for good. On this I'm risking 36 to get 71. I'm just risking big, like this other trade is already on break even, so this one has no issue. So I'm just risking big on. I'm risking, let's say 40 plus 7. Let's say $80 on this trade. If this trade is stop loss, the GBJP are too good, then I'll be going back to like 4,900, I guess. But if you ETP, I'll be going up on like 3%. I just want to risk it. I mean, I want to go and sleep now. Possibly I'll catch you guys later. How many of us believe that this good trade will be a good trade? I believe it will be a good trade, yeah. Because this was the buy I caught in the morning. I caught this buy in the morning. Alright. So price retrace to this fair value gap and is moving fine. But let's see. Whenever I can tell. Alright. So hello guys. This was the outcome of the trade I took. Because this trade was almost at TP. Because of sleep. Sleep made me lose. I already said put $2 break even before I slept. Everything just I was very pained. I was already on 5,000 100 oh. Look at this good. That's what good did to me yesterday. I first of all, this mistake and sold, and I saw that I made the mistake. So I now bought. When I bought now, wow. Look at what this one can do. It just did about 100 pip. Took me out and ran to TP. So because of the, I don't know, people are not complaining too much about fame. So I'm no longer interested in holding tricks again. So I closed my GBP UD and Euro USD that was I wanted to swing. So that good already messed up also. This was what happened yesterday. You can see. This was the first good I sold with mistake. That one took me out. The two buys took me out. Then this buy was the break even, this two was break even trade. This one was the Euro USD I closed out myself. I was already up on 5,100 because of sleep. Sleep. It's well. Now I'm up on $5,005. So welcome back everybody, it's still your boy PraiseFX. So as I promised, I'll be dropping my videos 2 times a week, which is on Wednesday and on Fridays, you get. So a quick rough talk on all the trades I took from Sunday night till Wednesday morning. Alright, so the truth of the matter is, I know you guys will feel like I reached a lot, alright, but the truth of the matter is this new strategy I developed. I usually trade, it's called the OROB, opening range breakout. So I don't trade that shit by when the market opens, you get. So that's why it seems as if I used to use big lot size and the stop loss is very tight, you get. That's how it works. That's why you saw that trade yesterday, just almost 1:2, the trade reversed, hit my break even, you get. So I really did not intend, like, my whole hope was like I was up on that shit, like I could have just gotten that TP and I was up on like 2%. Because when I woke up this morning before owning my data, I saw $100 profit. I was already on like 5,100. I wanted to take a screenshot, but it was not my chat hasn't loaded. My chat loaded and whoa, I saw good, use one big candle and swept me out, went to my TP, GP, GPY, same thing. But it's all good. So I had to just close the AUD GPY. Reason being that one of my good friends that do use goatfunded too, he told me that a lot of people are complaining about shit payout stuff that because of swing trade, and so I just okay, all right, let me just close my trade. I'm planning on swinging. I'll just keep going for my 1:3, 1:4, and whenever anytime will meet me before the close of market, I just gotta close my profits, you get, to avoid shitty ass things. That's what I'm talking about, you get. So I would say from Sunday night till this Tuesday was a profitable week. It's already a profitable week, I guess. I just got out of a Jordan of about $180 and I'm up on $5,005 profits. I don't think I'll be taking a trade today being Wednesday because everything just seems strange to me on chart, and just seeing my whole profits wiped up like that is just so crazy. Again, feel me? So I'm just making this video to, like, you know. So please, if you've not subscribed to this channel, consider subscribing to this channel. Give this channel a thumbs up. And you know what we do here is we're trying to make our shit real so that people will not just, you know, that there are people that are still doing this thing, this forex trading stuff of a thing on a legit way, not your big mentor. Let me salute your mentor. Your mentor will just tell you and show you profit. It's not like that. So we show you these challenges so that you know that this shit ain't easy, but once you give your mind to it, you can do it. Look at me, I'm just young and I'm trying to get funded. Please subscribe to this channel, like, share, and you could tell your friends about my channel so that they'll come subscribe and watch videos and know that it's a motivation. Me too, I do go to young forex traders like me. I do go to their channel not to get what they see, but just to see that motivation in them. Like, bro, there are people that are doing this shit. Shout out to Way Robs. There's one guy, so Ahmed FX I get, and Ben V. Which other guy? I think I've forgotten this guy named Savvy Forex. Yo, I watch those guys and they motivate me a lot. They make me feel like, yo, bro, you're not the only one going through this shit. If you can just persist, you could come out from it. So that's why you need channels like this. It keeps you motivated, man. Keeps you motivated. I'll catch you on Saturday, guys. I love you all. Peace, my family.